Hi guys, thanks for tuning into my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you how I use cancelled products on my wash and go routine. Enjoy! Strengthen and restore, leave-in conditioner, and I take quite a sizable amount. And split my hair into two halves, my head into two halves. So I apply the conditioner one side, just work it in a little bit. And now I'm going to do the same to the other side. Moisture curl enhancing smoothie. I might spray my hair a little bit because it feels a little dry. This product, a little bit less for each side, each half of my head, but still only applying it to the ends and then working it up. A little bit in there. You don't want too much product. Boom. There. Curl enhancing smoothie in one side. And get it for the other side. Wet my hair some more. Just comb it through one time. Again, this just helps to disperse the product so that all the hair gets product on it at some point in this process. Ha! Like so. See, I feel like when it's white, there's too much product on my hair. Okay, because when the gel goes on, it might flake. Okay, now let's do the next step, which is I just roughly separate my hair down to my ear. Boom, boom, boom. Little Bantu knot. Then across my head that way. Up, up. Bantu knot. This is me sectioning my hair, okay? And this is going to be the first section I'm going to start on. But so I'll just do this side. The other cancelled product. Eco Styler Gel, okay? Yes, I'm using Eco Styler Gel. Whatever. There we go. I just whip my hair as much as possible, and I go in with my Denman brush and I just make sure that all of the hair is feeling nice and smooth. Got rid of a little bit of excess product, and so much gel. Okay, I start at the roots. Just give a good old squeeze and spread. And if I feel like it feels a little bit gritty around the ends, I put some more gel on there so that it feels smooth. Work the gel in till it feels very smooth and no funny kind of sticky parts, kind of rough parts. Okay, that is all. And if I feel like the curls are not curling up nicely, I can always do a little finger coil to spice it up, but essentially this is all that's needed. Okay, one section already done. So then I free this guy and I split it in half ish. Wrap it in there. And I spray it with some water. And I Denman brush it. It's nice and smooth. Get all the excess product off it. And go in with the gel. By the time I get to the ends of the smoothing process, it usually feels a little bit, I don't know how to explain it, how to describe it, a little bit kind of rough, not smooth. What's the opposite of smooth? Rough. Okay, that's my English vocabulary for you. There we go. So now that I've smoothed it in and made sure that I got all the way down to the end, then that section's done too. Okay, next we do spray. We go in with Denman. Okay, and gel. I'm using way more gel than I would normally use, but that's okay. I just wanted to see what that looks like. Anyways, it's a little bit, do kind of finger comb as I go through with the gel as well, just to make sure that it's smooth, which probably isn't the best thing to do, but I do it because I want to disperse my curls and kind of shingling it as I go, separating the curls with my fingers as I distribute the gel. Okay, so now come to the front and I'll spray this down. Going to be separating this section into two as well. This is my trickiest part of my head because this here, from here, is my trouble section. way. It's my trouble area. It doesn't absorb product as well as the rest of my head, and it doesn't seem to curl as well as the rest of my head, so it needs a little bit of help. So what I do with this bit is I usually finger coil. Let's see what happens today. Side numero uno es finito. Okay, I'm going to go sit under the dryer to dry my hair, okay? So I'll be using this Kera Silk oil product to break the gel cast. Next I'll go in with my hairdryer just to soften the gel cast even further and to stretch the hair a little bit, because shrinkage is not my friend.